Hello. Thank you for expressing an interest in joining in our collab. Erica and I had this idea when we started thinking about the RHS National Gardening Week. In this short video, I'll tell you everything you need to know about joining in with the collab, but also all that information is also written in the newsletter. We ask that you don't discuss this collaboration on any of your videos or in the public arena on social media. If you do want to talk to other channels about it, please do so via private messaging, and that way we won't spoil surprise for our viewers. The title for your video should be Homegrown Food, full stop, Edible Britain, full stop, National Gardening Week 2019. So we've spoken to the RHS and they know we're doing this collaboration and they're really pleased that we are, and I'll talk a bit more about that in a moment. Videos can be published from 10 AM on the 29th of April. Please don't publish them before because that will also spoil the impact of the collaboration, and hopefully there'll be enough of us joining in that will make a really big impact on that day. If you can't publish your video on that day, any time during National Gardening Week is fine, but please let Erica and I know when it's published. I've created a playlist and I'll put all of your videos on that. Erica will have one on her channel and you're welcome to create a playlist too. The precise content and the style of the video is entirely up to you because you need to make your video still fit in with the brand and the style of your channel. Just a couple of things that we do ask. It would be nice, although it's not essential, if you could mention that Liz Zorab by the Farm and Erica's Little Welsh Garden started this collaboration to celebrate National Gardening Week 2019. And it would also be really helpful for all of us if you could mention that there is a playlist that includes the videos from all the other channels. So what should be in your video? Well, we suggest that you start by explaining or describing why you grow your own food, and then go on to show some of the food that you grow or do a gardening hint and tip. But anything that celebrates gardening and growing our own food is absolutely fine. If you're on Twitter and you promote your videos, use the hashtag National Gardening Week, and that way the RHS have said that they will retweet your posts. So if you like the sound of the collaboration and you would like to join in, please let either Erica or I know. You can do that by private message or direct message on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, or by email. And as I said, please don't pop a comment in a public place, let us know privately. So far, Erica and I have tracked down almost 100 channels that celebrate gardening and growing in their videos, and we've contacted almost all of them now. So far, around 50 have asked for this newsletter and information about the collaboration, so hopefully we'll be able to make a really big impact on April the 29th. If you have any other questions or queries, or you're just not sure about something to do with the collab, please get in touch with either Erica or myself and we'll do our very best to answer your questions. Thanks for listening, and hopefully we'll hear from you to say that you'd like to join in with the collab very soon.